Hello everyone, this is Hina and welcome to another video of Dillenium Creators, and today I'm going to create a golden vector mountain background with sunset effects. So this is very simple, very easy technique that I'm going to share with you. So if you're a beginner, you are learning Illustrator, then this tutorial might help you to work on similar projects. So let's start with me now. Okay, first of all, I'm going to create a new document here and then I will create a background layer with a dark navy blue color, and now I am taking this pencil tool and dragging a simple mountain like a structure like this, and here I'm going to create another layer of the mountain. So you can see that how it will be going. This is very simple, very easy to do if you are doing with the pencil tool. Turning the color to white so it will be more prominent on the screen. And now going to object and expand all the layers together, and here creating each and everything and defining the areas by using the shape builder tool. So this is very simple and easy technique to define. And now removing the extra parts from here. Using the gradient option from the switch, I'm creating the metal color here. This is the golden bronze color, I think, and I'm just applying these color to all the areas that we have defined by using the shape builder tool. I'm just playing with the gradient option here to blend the colors to create a sunset effect. Here you can see that playing with the opacity, playing with the gradient modes and playing with different positions. So here you can see that now creating a simple background layer here again and keeping at the back with the navy blue color, and now going to reduce down the opacity of these mountains so it will be more print like the sunset effect will be more prominent. So here you can see that the blue color from the background is more obvious, more prominent. Now I'm again playing with the gradient to create the more natural look that it seems like a sunset effect. If you're trying first time, then it will be quite difficult for you, but it's very easy to do. Once you will do that, then it will be quite easy for you to do it again. Just playing with the gradient blending here. So guys, now I'm going to create an ellipse to create a sun effect here. Here you can go to the effect and here you can choose the stylize and feather effect with the 39 pixels. Now interact the direct selection tool and just deform the position from the upside to create a more natural look to create a sunset effect. And here I'm using the brush tool. I'm connecting two curved lines like this. Make sure that all these lines are connecting together because we are going to apply the shape builder tool here. Now defining the wings. And define the shape builder tool, the shape overall position. Now take a copy of this and connect all these shapes, group it together, And here, what I want to do, I'm taking a copy of this and creating a different position of wings to create a flying effect to these birds, and taking a copy of this and just changing the position of the wings and creating a multiple copies like this. I want to create an effect that the birds are going over the sky. These are all the silhouettes, so you don't need to be specific about all these things, that how the what would be the proportion. So it just need to look like a bird structure. Here I'm reflecting it, so here taking a multiple copy. Very easy to do to create these type of sunset effect, and if you are a beginner, you are learning Illustrator, then it might helpful for you. So if you like my tutorial, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a very good day. Bye bye.